In this video, I'm going to show you how to add BandLab sounds. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is open one of your projects where you want to add the sounds to. And then from here, it's up to you which sounds you want to use. You can use your own or, of course, sounds from their sound library, which you can find down here at the bottom right. So I'm going to show you how to do both right now. If you want to go and use the BandLab sounds, you can just go and click on BandLab sounds bottom right over here. And of course, this is going to allow you to see all the BandLab sounds. You could also press L on your keyboard and that's going to pop up. Now in here you can then see there's a bunch of things. You can go and browse. You have packs, samples, whatever. There's a bunch of different things. And as you can see, some of these are going to be free and some of these, of course, are not going to be free. So I'm actually just going to go and use one of these. I'm going to click on here and I'm just going to click and drag this in here. So just click and drag, and that's how you can add a BandLab sound from the BandLab sound library. That's the first way to actually do this. But then of course, if you want to add your own sounds, that's also very possible. The simplest way would be to simply drag and drop an audio file. So we can either click on over here where it says drop over here. You can click on a sound and then click on open, and it's gonna get added like this. Or you could go and simply drag and drop it in here from your files like this. There we go, and here you have added your sounds as well, okay? So those are the simplest ways to add BandLab sounds. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.